All right, everyone, we're going to talk about something we don't get into very often, but I've seen it brought up a few times recently, and that's when a frame just doesn't quite close right. Overall, the fit looks fine. Everything's pretty level. You know, there's nothing too crazy going on there. But when you close it, it looks like this. Is it a big deal? Probably if you're here. Let's get into what that is and the fix for it. Catch you on the other side. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet because this is a very easy fix that will turn into a short, maybe, if I'm in the mood. So what you've got here, you can see the temples aren't quite even, but we're going to get into more on that. So first, let's bring these back to where they are completely parallel. As you'll see, that one dips down just a little bit. So let's fix that first. We're going to grab the front of the frame, grab the arm, and bring that up just a hair so that now we are all fixed there. And this one, the exact opposite. Grab the front, bring it down just a hair. Now those are lined up perfectly, but we still have this going on, and that's just because I bent the ever-living hell out of it in order for it to show up on camera. So it actually unleveled those a little bit. Sorry. Now, to the core of the fix is exactly what you would expect, and you're going to cringe when I do this. So you want to bring this back down to around the midline of the frame where this is sitting flush and flat instead of going up over here. The easiest way to do that is to fix the kink in the hinge, because what's happened is this is just a little bit twisted, and you'll see the hinge is just a little bit thinner at that front. That little front leaf is what is twisted in there. So the easiest way to fix that is to leave it closed so you got a little bit more leverage on it. The same thing as we did before. We're going to brace that front, and you're going to make the bend with a little more leverage back here. What you have to watch out for, especially on thinner barrels, is the leaves can actually bend. They'll spread apart a little bit, and now that's going to be super floppy. In this one, they're thick enough that we didn't have any spread to deal with, and the twist all came back right in that front edge. So now we have this one closing back more how it should. We still have this guy that's down the other direction, because I always know you guys are going to say, well, what if it's the other direction? Well, that's just as easy. So we'll go again, put that in the closed position, we'll brace that front edge, and we're going to pull with just a little bit more leverage down here on this bottom edge. And for me, I like to put a little bit of brace up here as well, and just slowly and gently twist that. So you're going to bring this up to bring it the other direction. You'll go a little bit past where you want it to stay so that when it kind of goes back into position, there you go. Now your temples are back to closing exactly how they should. Short, sweet, 3-minute video. Who'd have thunk I could even do that? So hopefully this video helped you out, and now your temples are making you happy and they close nicely and everything is good to go. And it looks pretty when it's closed and you sit it on the table, because some of us care about those little things. If it helped you, let me know down in the comments below. If this is something that's driven you crazy on frames for years, well, now you know what you can do about it. For me, it's the ones that are crooked and unlevel. We'll link a card up for how to fix that, as well as a host of other problems. Or jump into the playlist and go through the adjustment and fit videos and just learn all of the things. Outside of that, I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.